Hey guys, I just have a quick swipe for you today. I was feeling a little fiery when I was mixing colors for this acrylic paint pour. I wanted a lot of reds and yellows on this one, and I wanted them to really stand out. As you may have figured out by now, the swipe is my favorite method to use when creating pour paintings. Swipes give you a tiny bit of control in an otherwise chaotic form of art. If you're interested in the colors that I'm using today, I will leave a list in the description below. All of my colors are mixed with Floetrol for this pour. For the cell activator that I'm using to swipe over the main colors, I'm using my preferred activator mix with Amsterdam Heavy Gel Medium. I love using the clear gel medium as a cell activator. It really gives a unique look to the cell structure that is produced. Instead of single color lacing, you get a wide range of colors. The gel dries clear, so you're left with whichever color or blend of colors that is pulled to the top. It really is one of my new obsessions. I have to apologize. My camera battery died as I was stretching the swipe out, so while I don't have the full stretch to share with you, I loved the results of this one so much that I had to post it. Since this is a pretty straightforward swipe, I don't have a lot to add for you today. I do want to take a second and thank all of you that have subscribed. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, it would be super awesome if you would take a second and click that button. I share new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Well, that's going to be it from me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to check out the close-ups at the end. See you guys next time. Bye!